So I will show you. See, you can create the array in terms of say number also. You can make in terms of string also. Okay, so let's start with that. Arrays lost here. So let me declare an array. Okay, you can give different values in an array. So let's create an array. So I give let. I am creating a string array. You can create a number array also. Okay, string array is equal to, and here you define the things. So I give India, comma, USA, comma. I define Japan, Germany, and so I gave these countries. So remember, as we have seen, you guys have seen, the index of array always starts with 0. Index in array always starts with 0. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let me give you the traditional way to get the values from array. Okay. So here I go. I am putting console.log. Let's retrieve the values. So console.log. Let's retrieve the value. So I'm giving the traditional way for you. So index starts from 0. So let okay, I is equal to 0. I is less than countries dot length okay, and I. Let's print the values. So I give a console.log countries at index plus I plus use plus countries. Okay. So I will start retrieving the values like this. So let me run this program. I go over here and if I give, so it gave me India, USA. Okay. So these are the way you can retrieve. Now let's see how can you do some modification in arrays. So I can push a value. So if I push a value in an array, it will add the element at the end. Okay, first function. So these functions are asked in interview. Okay, guys. The first is push. So I give suppose countries dot push Australia. You give this one. Now let's print out the countries console dot log. Okay, after push column. So let's save and run it. Remember these commands, they are asked functions. So now you can see it is showing me Australia also. India, USA, Japan, Germany, Canada, and Australia. Now pop. If I want to get the last element from the array, we can use the pop command. So pop is used to get the last element. So here I go and say let pop country is equal to country dot pop. Okay. Let me print the pop country. So I can print like this console dot log. Okay. Remove the country that pop country. I print it. After printing it, let me print the countries again. Okay, so I give console.log after of home. So let's save it and run it. So now Australia will be removed. Now you can see here push Australia was pushed. Now it was removed. Now suppose I want to add a element at the beginning. So for that we have a function known as unshift. So we have a function known as unshift. So countries dot unshift. I gave say Brazil. So this country will be added at the start. So let me print it out after that unshift. What it is showing. If I run it, so see Brazil is added. Next command is shift. What the shift command will do? It will remove the first element from that. Fourth is shift. Remove the first element. So I give here that shifted country is equal to countries dot shift. Let's print the removed item. So what is the removed item will be Brazil. So let's print console dot removed item and let's print the countries after shift also. Okay. So let's save it and run it. If I go over here and run it, so see now Brazil were there. Then we have removed the country by shift that is Brazil. And now again if I go, we have the original. Okay. Next is splice. Next is splice. So with the help of splice, you can add or remove item anywhere in the app. With the help of splice, you can add and remove item from anywhere in the app. So let's just take it. Now suppose this is 2. Japan is 2. Okay. Japan is 2. This is index is 2. Now I want to delete and insert France. In place of Japan, I want to insert France. Okay. So this is my package. How can I do it? Countries dot splice. Two is the index and one item I have to replace. That is France. Now let's print after that. After replacement, let's print how many countries are there. So I'm printing console.log. Let's run it. So now if you say replaced Japan with France, so it is showing India, USA, France, Germany. Okay. So we have four more functions, but I am any question on these things. Anyone? Anyone? I will say write down. I am giving you 5 minutes. Next function I will give you after 7 minutes. Okay, write down. Because I want you to understand yourself first. Understand that.
Abhinav, it is asking me to import console, node console.
What?
Let me share my screen.
Google it out. Get the solution.
Something is missing. That some configuration is missing.
Yeah. Do that
Node
complete.
console.
दूसरों का क्रेडिट नहीं लेते.
Unable to compile. Cannot find name. Node console.
What it
And
is.
then it is saying that you need to install type definition for node. Try npm.
Are you sharing the screen?
No, no, I'm not sharing. Let me
Share
share.
the screen.
Sharing. This one. So this one import console require node. This. So npm minus I. This one I guess config ps config. This one. Okay.
फोन नहीं उठाता.
npm minus I. npm.
Show me your code. Show me your code.
Code is this one.
What is this first line you import this thing? Remove this line. Save it. Control S. Save it.
Just
When
I'm
you are
done.
not saving it. Yes. Now run. What is this?
That extra byte, I think that
Now it
extra
is
text
working.
is what. Yes.
Okay. Let's go. Now. Okay. So I will be taking now the sixth slice. So we have seen the slice. Now this is slice. So what this do? It will copy. It will copy a section of array from a new into a brand new array, into a brand new variable. Let me show you. So suppose let me take a variable. Let price. So 2, 4 means France and Germany. 0, 1, 2 France and Germany. Canada will not be included before it. Okay. And let's put this into. So let's now try to print it. So I will print this variable. So you can see if I run it now, see it is printing France and Germany. So it has extracted it and put it in a new variable. Or we can say small array it has created. Another function we have concatenate, that is concat 7. So it helps you to join two arrays. Okay, so if I give let more countries, I add more countries, string is equal to Egypt, comma, I add two countries. Okay, I go over here, let merged array countries dot content here. More countries. Okay, let's print that merged countries. Let's check it out, save it, and let's run. If you see, now it is showing me India, USA, France, Germany, Canada, Egypt, and Japan. So it has taken two more. Okay. If I want to take, if I suppose I want to find the index of Germany, index of Germany. I want to find a index of. So for that we use index of. So here I give, say suppose, let position is equal to countries dot index of. So I want index of Germany. Let's print it out. What is the position? I think it's 3. So let's run it out and see. So see, it printed the index of position is. Now suppose I want to print reverse. I want to do the reverse of it. I want to do the reverse of it. Okay. So I go over here. I give this countries dot reverse. Okay. Console dot log. So if after reverse function. So let's print countries. Save it and let's try it. See, it printed me in reverse order. We have removed Japan is not coming. Okay, okay. That is some different. That was some very concatenate. It was a merged array which you did. Okay. We are talking about countries array. So countries array is this one. So it is printing it in reverse format. Okay. Now suppose I want to sort this array. I want to perform sorting on this array. So I can do countries dot console dot log after countries. So if I do it, so CFGIE. So it has sorted. So these are all the functions which are used in array. Here I can print the values. Okay, I am giving you 5 minutes. Write this down. Run it at your end. Anyone, any issues, let me know. And there is one more thing. Okay, there is, see, map is something that different, but we have some map function also over here. We have some map function over here. Suppose I create a number array. Suppose I create a number array. See guys what I am doing. I create a number array that base numbers or number. So I give numbers. Now, now I want map loop. So map will put in a loop. Map will go with each and every element and you can perform a task on it. So what I do, I want to double each and every element. So if I go over here, I give here let numbers is equal to base number dot map. Now map will go each and every element. So num corner, this is the function, arrow function. I will teach it to more. Okay, num into 2. So what it will do, it will take one and one number from here and it will into 2. So 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 2, 4 into 2, and it will store in double number. So if I now try to print original array, that was our base number, and I try to print our transform value. Okay, now let's run it. So see, original array was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Transform one number it took out, map transfer from each and every element and multiplied it by and stored in double. So it gave me 2, 4, 6, 8, and okay, guys. So 6 to map, write it out.
Abhinav, I have one question. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Prisha.
Yeah. I'm sharing my screen. I have one question. Like, I'm not getting the square brackets. Uh, Let me show. So I tried this one. If you see your
Yes. What happened?
Result, you have square brackets over there. I'm not getting that.
What? What is the issue?
Uh, Not an issue. I'm just curious, like the square brackets are not appearing over here. If you see your output, in that one we have square brackets.
I don't know why.
Yeah, I don't
Everyone,
know.
anyone else facing this issue? Because I don't know why. No, no issue. This is not the issue which is coming. Okay. No one will ask you. I don't know why it is not coming.
Okay,
No idea. It should come.
okay,
Wait,
okay,
show me the screen. Don't go so fast.
okay. Sorry.
You have not given comma.
Uh,
If you check my code, when you are
okay,
printing, you are giving plus sign and I am giving comma sign in line number 19 and 20.
okay. This one.
Yes, remove plus.
Oh, sorry.
Here also remove plus and give comma.
Got it. But here it is giving size also.
So what is the issue if it gives the size? Let it be.
Okay,
Let it be.
that's
No
it.
issues. Yeah. It is good if it is given. But I think their version could be the issue. I might be running on different person.
Yeah, maybe.
And that could be the issue. Everyone done?
Yes.
See, they ask the functions. Okay. They always ask the functions. What are all the functions available? Okay. Second thing, we have a map. So map is basically a key value pair. We have a key and we have a value associated. Okay. So map is a key value pair. You will put in a key and its value there. Okay. So let's start with map.
Your screen is not shared.
Oh, your screen is not shared. Got it.
Then you create a new map. So we will be having first we will be creating a map. To create a map, we have a syntax key and value. Number. So let's add the value in it. So, so I will put a key like 101, 102 and associate a value with it. So it's like their user hold dot to add a value we use set command. So if I give 101, comma, its value is add one. So our key over here is 101 and its value is add one. So if I give one more key 102, its value is QA. If I give one more key 103, its value is developer. If I give one more key 104, that is a product name. So I have given 4. So now let's see the size of our total size of our map. So how can I see the size? So here console dot log. Okay. Uses int So let's save it and run it. So let's see. So it is giving me sizes. Okay. Now I suppose I want to retrieve the value, any value I want to retrieve from it. I want to retrieve, say, specific value is 102. So let roll of, say I give of 102. So user role dot get. So get will give me that value. I give 102. Let's print it out 102. So it will be QA in 0. So if I go over it and try to print the value, let's print it out. It is, oh, what happened? Roll of two. Sorry, sorry, sorry. So if I return out, so it gives me 102 is QA. If I want to check a particular key exists or not, if I want to check 105 exists or not, you can see 105 does not exist. Okay. If I want to check out if any key exists or not, so I give say let has user 105 user dot role dot has 105. So it is checking does it has. Okay. So let's run it out. What it will print, save it. Let's run it out. It is saying me false. It is saying me false because it does not exist. So let me check for 101. So if I check for 101 as 101, okay, save it. Let's check it out. So it is just saying it. Okay. Now suppose I want to iterate in it. I want to create a loop. I want to create a loop. So yesterday I told you there is one more for loop. Okay. So there is one more for loop. So here we can use standard for loop. That is one last for loop I will be using here. Standard for loop I will be using here. So I give over here for say try to understand. So now this will be a bucket. Now this will be a bucket. I am creating two variable let user ID, comma, role name. I am creating two variables. Okay. Of which this user role. So this will be a bucket. What it will do, it will take first element from here. It will take its user ID will one key will it will put here and its role it will put here. So 101 and admin. Then go to the bucket. It will check, take one more out. It will take 102, put it here and put role here. Then take one more. It will put 103 here, developer here. So it will take start taking for loop. It will go, it will search like a bucket and keep on taking the elements from here. So let me print out console.log user ID space. Let's save it and run it. If I go over here and run it, so see it is showing 101 had old admin. So it acts as a for loop is like by acting as a bucket. We are not providing it as a if else condition. Over. Fine means now suppose I want to delete any element from here. So just give say suppose I want to delete 104. You as a user role dot delete 104. Okay. Now let's print the complete. Now let's see the size. If previously it was 4, let's print it out. What is the size now? So it is showing me sizes. Okay. You can clear the entire map also. You can clear means make it empty also. So saving function is clear. So you can directly go there, user rule dot clear. Right. Now let's print it out, the total size. So I'm printing the total size. Let's run it out. So see it is showing. So this is a map. Very important. Key value pair. Okay. Guys, understand it. Fine. It is very important. They may ask you the questions, they may ask the functions, but they will not ask outside this program. Okay. Create it. Everyone understood it. Any issues anyone has? Anyone? Write it out. After that, we will see set.
Abhinav is done.
Okay, guys, done. So should we continue or leave here? We will practice.
Yeah, we can practice.
Yeah, because these are
Because
many functions.
array, yeah, array is very vast function. It will
Yeah,
be
so
used in automation.
So many functions are there.
there are so many functions